Well, you join us back live at through the Carlton Sports Network, and we're at Colombo Night Race 2011. A little bit of a break going on until they line up the next event, that is Group Standard 250cc, a 4-stroke single event. And the riders are being lined up, as you can see, that aerial view coming to you. Again, Madhuranga Caldera comes into this event, someone we need to look out for. But it is Ned Daniel. There you go, the yellow bike, his famous yellow bike, which will start from pole position. Shreyans Samuel is right behind him. A little bit of a playful smile. Victory, yes. He's definitely going to be aiming for that. So it's Shreyans Samuel. If you notice, pole position is left open there because it was initially taken up by Piri, but he had to be put to the back of the grid because he had mistakenly also, he has been given that position back again. So Piri, Ned Daniel, Shreyans Samuel, your top 3 contenders. A little bit of a joke there to you. He's in a good mood. Very rarely you find riders and drivers come to the start line in such a good mood, right, Suresh? In a very joke mood, but it's all good. So behind them, El Shamal, Sharon Fernando and Madhuranga Caldera takes up to round up the top 6 positions. A little bit of an unusual thing would be Caldera in that 6th position, I would say. He's normally a very strong contender in this 250cc category. But if you recall from the Kandy Night Races held last time, he had a little bit of trouble. He ran into a very bad accident, but he walked off with no major injury. So this is him returning back to street racing here. They're also joined by Jeffrey Shalin the Brito, Nishant Ranatunga and Shafraz Bashir. Hevage and Helaviku Grandeni also comes on to the grid, but unfortunately he's on 11th grid. And Samir Rajasinghe with Udesh Chaturanga, Tuan Princey, K.A. Dinusha with V.T. Vijay Kumar. And there you go. As I said, there's a little bit of a switch because there were some unforeseen circumstances when the timing sessions happened. Sharon Fernando. That's 61, Sharon Fernando. 37. Madhuranga Caldera. He may be starting in the middle of the grid, but there's a very good chance that he might climb the ladder there. So you keep an eye on number 37. But Ned Daniel, you can't miss that bike. I believe that red flag is in the hands of Sami Nathanayake. He also used to be on the track quite frequently, but today he has taken the role of a marshal, assisting the organization and the carrying out of this event. Well, we've been informed that a warm-up lap will follow soon, and then we'll have a good start. There you go. So the riders have been let loose from the grid. Over to you, Nishant.
යතරප ව්‍යංශයේ 250 cc කණ්ඩේ තරගවට ආරම්භ කිරීමට පෙර මාර්ගය පිළිබඳ දැනුවත් කිරීමක් සඳහා සූදානම් වන ආකාරය අපිට දක්න ලැබෙන්නේ. මම හිතන්නේ මෙම තරගය සඳහා විශේෂයෙන්ම මෙම ඉසව්වේ නම් දරපු ක්‍රීඩකයන් රැසක් සහභාගී වීම, නැත්නම් දායකයන් රැසක් සහභාගී වීම මේ තරගයේ තිබෙන විශේෂත්වය වෙනවා. නෙඩ් ඩැනියල්, ශිරාන් සැමුවෙල්, ජී.එල්. ශාමාල්, ශරන් ෆර්නාන්ඩෝ, ඒ වගේම මදුරංග කල්ඩේරා, ජෙෆ්රි සාලින්ද බ්‍රිටෝ, නිශාන්ත රණතුංග, ශෆ්රාස් බෂාර් වගේ මෙවැනි විශේෂ දස්කම් දැක්වූ දායකයින් මෙම තරගයට සහභාගී වෙනවා. ක්‍රම්බෝ නයිට් රේසස් 2011 මේ දර්ශන ඔබ වෙත ගෙනෙන්නේ සජීවීව CSN රූපවාහිනිය ඔස්සේ ශ්‍රී ලාංකීය ප්‍රේක්ෂකයන්ට විශේෂයෙන්ම ක්‍රීඩා ලෝලීන්ට වඩාත් ආස්වාදජනක අත්දැකීමක් වෙනවාට නොඅනුමානයි. අප දවස පුරාම අද රාත්‍රියේ මුළුල්ලේම ඔබට සජීවී දසුන් ගෙන ආවා මෙම තරගාවලියේ විශේෂ අවස්ථාවන් සමගින්. මෙම ප්‍රදර්ශනාත්මක නැත්නම් පෙරහුරු තරග වටේින් අනතුරුව අප බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා නියම ආකාරයට මෙම 250 cc වර්ගයේ යතුරුපැරි ධාවන තරගය ආරම්භ කරන්නට.
Thank you, Hisham. So, pictures coming to you from the start line area. That's just in front of the Galadari Hotel, so you can see how the crowds have gathered to see the Colombo Night Races. They're lining up the riders once more for the standard 4-stroke 250cc event. Ned Daniel, there you go, number 46 in pole position. Shyam Samuel right next to him with G.L. Sharma. Sharon Fernando, Maduranga Caldera with Jeffrey Shalinda Brito. That's Caldera. Sorry, number 61, that's Sharon Fernando. Next to him is Caldera, that's 37. Red flag is still out. You imagine, Suren, that we don't have truck clearances? Oh no, we do. And the lights have already come on the screen. The riders rev up those engines. Should be a good one. And they're off. Ned Daniels, late start there. Looks like Shyam Samuel had the better of that start. We should have a distinct picture soon. Yes, Daniel has fallen back to third. Looks like it is Shyam Samuel in the lead. Daniel moves up to second. Caldera trying very hard to get past to the third place. Samuel leans out of that standard chartered corner. Ned Daniel close behind him and into the backstretch.
Young Shyam Samuel seems to be having a field day today. He's already had one event in his pocket. Now he's in the lead.
Like I said, Suren, Caldera seems to be making his way up as well. That is Caldera for you.
Oh yeah, Maduranga is a great fighter, and I'm sure he's going to take the battle up to Shyam.
He will push these two riders, both Shyam Samuel and Ned Daniel. He keeps doing it at every race they meet. But that's what brings the best out of these riders when they're under pressure. The way they think, the way they maneuver their machines, the way they choose to harmonize themselves with it. So there we go. In lap 2, back to the back stretch.
Anushka, I wonder whether you observed that Easy Racing has come out so strongly. Trackside, you see such a grandstand taken by them, and now I think even Sriyan Samuel is sponsored by them.
Sriyan Samuel, Aaron and Jaden Gunawardena, and even Passindu Pieces.
Oh yeah, that's the latest addition. He's the latest addition to the Easy Racing team.
He's promoting the team concept in Sri Lanka, which is good because we lacked that for a long time. We're bringing it back out.
And without sponsors, you know, the riders and drivers find it extremely difficult to make ends meet. So this is very healthy for motorsports.
Well, if you caught that, Suren, Sriyan Samuel did a quick look because he knows Ned Daniels chasing him down. And rightly so. Caldera should be closing in as well.
But Ned Daniels unfortunately got off to a poor start. If not, probably he would have been closer to Sriyan.
Number 67 already in trouble. He's been on the track quite some time, I believe.
We used to see him mostly at hill climbs, and also we did, in fact, see him participate in hill climbs. But, well, this night race has really come to life. And I don't think there is any competitor, bar Dinesh Deragoda, who's abroad, who's missed it. I think we've got our entire cadre of riders and drivers participating.
Definitely, Suren, because even the ones who didn't race the entire season are out tonight. I noticed a couple of names. I haven't seen them the entire season, but they're here tonight. So it shows that they're very happy to be here and they're very interested to see how the Colombo Night Race will unfold. So Sriyan Samuel still in the lead for the 4-stroke 250cc event. Ned Daniel closing in on that gap. And into the roundabout at the Continental Hotel. Well, if you're lucky, you should know that Lewis Hamilton's F1 Formula is on display at that roundabout as well. Quite the showpiece. First time in Sri Lanka, I would say, Suren.
Yeah, that was really the car driven by Lewis Hamilton.
It seems like Sriyan Samuel is ready to start lapping the other contenders. Ned Daniel follows him right there. A little disappointing to see that Caldera hasn't pulled up. So I believe this is visuals coming to you from Sriyan Samuel's bike. He's the one with the camera at the back. Did you notice?
I think even young Jaden Gunawardena had one on his film.
It's one way of learning of your experience because it will record your entire experience from your point of view and then you see where you go wrong. So coming into the last lap, Sriyan Samuel still in the lead. Ned Daniel in second.
I think Sriyan Samuel, somebody was mentioned to me that he's overseas. He works overseas.
He's back. Well, this is the standard 4-stroke 250cc event at the Colombo Night Race. Sriyan Samuel still in the lead. Ned Daniel still trying to work out a plan. And already the lapping has taken place. And Hishan is here to take you off.
Didn't